Cline and KiloCode are both open source AI coding agents, but they serve different developer needs. Cline is a minimalist assistant designed to integrate cleanly with VS Code, JetBrains, and the command line, offering transparent, uncompromised open source coding help that appeals to developers who want simplicity and control without heavy infrastructure. KiloCode, by contrast, is a more ambitious platform that not only supports coding but also ships with multiple agent modes like code, architect, and debug, plus a hosted Kilo Claw agent that runs 24/7, automating workflows across Slack, email, and cloud environments, and connecting to over 500 models. In practice, Cline shines when you want a lightweight developer-friendly tool that respects open source principles, while KiloCode wins if you need a structured multi-mode agent that can handle complex coding, planning, and debugging tasks with enterprise grade support. So the verdict is simple. You choose Cline for lean, transparent coding assistance, and KiloCode if you want a full agentic platform with automation and scale.